Welcome to my art channel, Amrish Art. In this video, we are going to learn about collage painting. If you are new to this channel, I will request you to subscribe my channel. And in the end, if you like this video, put your like. What is collage making? Collage is a technique of picture making in which you assemble objects, paper cutouts, ribbons, paints to make a complete picture. The term collage originated French word colle, which literally means to stick together or to glue together. Collage can also be used not only for visual arts, that is, drawing, painting, graphics, advertisement, sculpture, but it can also be used in music as well as in performing arts. The word paper colle was coined by the 20th century artists like George Braque and Pablo Picasso. Both Picasso and Braque were doing experimentation in painting just after their analytic cubism period in 1911. They attempted to revive in painting, and which led them the technique of directly pasting paper on the canvas instead of painting them. Later on, George Braque also made paintings in which he directly pasted wooden grain textured paper instead of painting wooden grain textures. The important collage artists of the 20th century were Kurt Schwitters, Hannah Höch, Henri Matisse, and others. The history of collage dates back to 200 BC and it goes to the Chinese with the invention of the paper. The Japanese later used collage along with calligraphy. The method was further explored in Europe during the medieval time. When collage is made by using photographs in a painting, then it is called a photo montage. The British prop painter Richard Hamilton was a famous photo montage artist. Collage work was not only limited to painting, but it started combining sculpture as well as in architecture. Collage painting of a city scene. These are the materials which you will require for your collage painting: a ruler, a drawing pencil, preferably a 2B drawing pencil, a sketch pen, preferably a black sketch pen. You can take a permanent marker like this, a black permanent marker, a glue, a white glue, a small Fevicol tube can also do, an eraser, any eraser will do, and a scissors. First you will draw an outline in your drawing book with your pencil and eraser. Then finally draw the outline with your black sketch pen and complete the drawing. Once the drawing has been completed, you will take the desired color in your magazine. For instance, when I am doing the sky, I am cutting blue strips of paper. I am finding the blue strips, blue color paper in the magazine, and finally I cut out the blue color paper and cut it into strips like this and paste it in the sky, and this is the complete sky. Once we have done that, we will go to the car. We will cut small pieces of paper in the shape of pixels and complete the car. And then we will finally go for the road. For cutting the car, we will use our scissors, but for making the road, we will cut it with our hand, and we will get the desired shapes, and that desired shapes have to be pasted on the road. Then completing the background. You can do it as you feel. I am trying to keep it a little bit of dark so that more emphasis is got into the car. The buildings are cut out from different shapes. Here you can see that I have been using different textured papers. The letters which are written there is not important for me. It is only used as a textures. So this is the final painting of the car, collage of a car. The following materials will be required for this painting. First, make a sketch on the drawing book, then cut small pieces of paper and paste it on the fish, and then finally go to the background and start sticking your papers, and this is the complete painting of the fish.